Right, welcome back guys, all right guys, so today what we're doing today, we're propagating yam. All right, these yam, honestly, sometimes you can just put them in the ground just like this and they're gonna eventually start pushing root. Sometimes what we do, we cut them, like we cut them in two like this, and we stock both of them in the ground, which I'm going to show you right in this container. Just like this, I will take them and we stock them in the ground like that and cover it. This is just for them to gather root. From the time they start to gather root, what we do, we're going to take them out and put them in their own container. Now, let me show you some result over here. In this container here, we have result. All right. Let's take up this one here. All right, you see what's going on? This is actually a yam that I put in the ground. Okay, I put this yam in the ground and look at what's going on. You could actually see the roots start growing. Now this yam, I'm gonna take this yam. You know what, let me take this one of these out. I'm gonna take this one and put it into a container by itself. So now this yam is actually ready to grow. So this yam gonna start pushing leaf pretty fast. But my thing is, it's simple. All you gotta do is cut them. So now let me take this one and I'm gonna put this one down inside here. You see? The one I now cut, I put down in there. So I'm rooting all of them. Look at this one again. This is another one, and as you see going around there, they start pushing root already. So I didn't put anything on top of it. All I do, I cut the yam and I put it in the soil just like what I now show you. And this is the result from there. Let's look at this one here as well. Let's look at this one. Okay, this one pushing root as well. So it's just simple, guys. All you got to do, man, is just cut the yam, put them in some soil in a nice warm area, and this gonna be the result. It ain't that complicated, and you got to do and put all different type of stuff on top of the yam to get it. Well, you know what? Everybody do things their own way, but my way is this way, and it's working for me. So over here, I'm gonna put this one.